A very good evening, everyone. So, how are you all doing this lovely evening? Let's just start with our presentation. This Google Sheet you can access on all your devices. You can edit it via mobile. You can edit it on your system. And I'll quickly teach you how to remove the access. This item sheet or this unit sheet is something which I want to restrict access for. Okay. So I'll just go, I'll say protect sheets and ranges. In the data tab, there is protected sheets and ranges. I'll select the respective sheet or respective column, which I want someone not to edit, right? So, sir, if you can just try and edit this particular cell E2 from 50 to something else, only sir who has provided me the sheet, Thiagarajan sir.
E to edit, what to do?
Yes, just make it 10. It's 50 right of now, na? Make it 10.
Yeah, 1 second. But it's not coming.
Yeah, because I've restricted the access. Now you can see anyone with the link can be a viewer. They cannot edit. Now I'm changing it to editor. So now I have updated the access. So just refresh your sheet once and try editing it again. Just refresh your tab from here and try editing it.
Yeah, yes. Now I made, yeah.
Right, so you've changed it to 10.
Yes.
Right, so now what I'll do is, giving the access to edit other fields is important for Thiagarajan sir, but I don't want Thiagarajan sir to edit the units field. He can edit the unit cost. He is the production manager for me, right? So what I'll do is, I don't want him to edit the units field. I'll go to data. I'll go to protected sheets, right? I'll add not edit units as the name of this particular restriction. This is just a name. This is not doing anything, right? I'll select the range which I want someone for the protection. I'll select it EE column, which is the units. I'll say set permissions.
But how you are making that permission, the sheet protection? Can you go once again, please?
Sure. So I've selected the entire column first, column E.
Okay.
I'll go to data sheet here.
Okay.
Right. Protected sheets and ranges.
Okay.
Right. So then this pop-up comes here, and then I set permissions, and it says restrict who can edit this range. I'll say custom. Okay. And I'll type your name here.
Okay.
Right. I'll say done. Changes saved. Right. So or rather, I'll just do one more thing. I'll just delete this one. This one, I'll change permission, and I'll say restrict only you. I being the CFO, just taking an example, sir. No, nobody takes offense, please. Right now, sir, try and edit this units from 10 to 50 again. Try doing it, or anyone try doing it. Try editing the units field. You can edit any other field except the units column. Try it.
Yeah, it's coming. You are trying to protected cell like that.
Correct.
It's coming. Please.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now try changing the unit cost, sir. Try changing it to say 20. I'll just put the formula for multiplication. Right now it's
again coming. Yeah. Unit cost. Yeah, 20. Okay.
Yeah, unit cost you're able to change. Right.
Okay.
So this is the level of access that you can restrict in this particular Google Sheet. Now, if I want, I can provide only you the access to edit it, and no one other than you can edit it. So just check.
Okay.
So try changing the 10 to 70 now.
Yeah. Yes.
Right. So other than Thiagarajan sir, anyone can try and edit the units field. It would not happen. Try it, guys. Just tell me if that works for you. Right. So this is handy when you want inputs from multiple people, but you want only specific people to input only specific information. right? I can even restrict. So all of the functions which are there in Excel are available in Google Sheet. You just need to learn those stuff. And of course, in the future webinars, I'll have a dedicated webinar for Google Sheets. So for example, data validation. How data validation works is I can create a list here that someone can select items from only that list. Yeah, sir, tell me. Someone raised a hand.
Yeah. Hi. So we can set the permission for a particular set of data as well, or the entire column it will take. Just wanted
You
to
can-
ask this small question.
You can select for a particular cell as well. So if, for example, this cell you see, or for this row you see, I can select this particular columns. I can go to data. I can go to predicted cell sheet. It's given me the range here, A7 to G7.
Okay, great.
Whatever I select, even one cell, if you want to protect, that one cell will be protected. Right? If, for example, all of the unit costs are 20 rupees, right? So what I do is I type 20 here as unit cost, right? And here I multiply the formula of this asterisk, this, right? And I make it an absolute value. Okay, now I copy and paste the values here. Right? Now what happens is, even if I delete this column, or even if I make it 0, right? It's showing me the values, and I can restrict this particular cell to only myself. Right? Now you guys, and this also I am restricting, right? Because I don't want anyone to change the final value. Now you guys can edit the unit, you can edit the item, anything, but you cannot edit the unit cost because I have defined that it will be purchased at rupees 20 only.
Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the description for further details about our Facebook page, our website, and don't forget to share this useful content with your friends and family. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Yuja Mascot Consultancy Hub. If you want to become the part of our WhatsApp group, please mail us on the email ID mentioned in the description. Thanks everyone. Until next time.